Oh, man. Oh, man. I had every pretty bird on earth in one pile. Y'all, I'm not giving y'all special treatment. You right there. Him over there. Get back on that pile of food. Do like the rest of them. No special treatment right now. Take y'all to, there's a pile of food right there. There they go. And where's my red bird that was out there with him? Oh, look at them, they congregating. And you want special damn treatment, dude. What's wrong with you? And him over there. Here. Jesus Christ. Here. Get out of here. Everybody down at the pile. You over there by the car. It was a big, pretty red bird in the midst of everything. Everybody's over there getting their thing on. Who's them birds with the dark suit on? And him over there. I see you over there. But Julio, you know he will not budge. I can care less. You drop off a firecracker, you still ain't moving. There's a pile of food there. I really had some pretty red cardinals in the mix over there a minute ago. I don't know what happened. Here you go, man. Go. Take that, man. Beat it. Beat it. And Michael Jackson, beat it. They making noise, too.